How are
How
you?
are you?
Yes, I'm doing great. I'm doing great. What about you?
Actually, ma'am, yeah, I am also fine. Actually, ma'am, first time I am connected on video call, so this is why
Mm-hmm.
I am very nervous and
Mm.
I was not prepared and I had no idea how to connect.
No problem.
So
Actually,
this
it's
is
very
why it,
natural. It's very natural
yeah,
when we are connecting with someone first time. So obviously, it's a new experience. And
yes,
every experienced person was once a beginner. Everybody starts from somewhere,
yes,
isn't it? So today it's a
yes,
new beginning for you.
yes, ma'am,
Now you know how to
and
connect. Okay?
yes, ma'am,
And next time when you
and
will
first of
connect to
all,
the
I want,
people, you will feel more confident and gradually you will become veteran, experienced, isn't it? So
yes,
don't
ma'am,
worry
true.
about anything. Yeah,
And ma'am, another thing that I want to mention, nice to see you.
thank you.
And ma'am, I want to ask you, can I ask the questions?
Yes, yes, you can. But before diving into the topic or before diving into the conversation, I just love to know something about you. Means at least tell me your name, where are you from?
Yes, ma'am. My name is Sanjay Tomar and I belong to district Hapur. And recently I have done my master's from Hindi literature. And I am pursuing my master's one more time from English literature. So that can help me to become good in English. So, and I am learning English, and this is all about me, I think.
Great, great, great. Okay, so great. You have done already once master in Hindi literature,
Yes,
and now you are doing master in English literature.
ma'am. Yes.
Great, great, great. Okay. So is there any motto to learn English? You have any specific goal, means why you want to learn or
Actually, ma'am, since my childhood, I had a wish to speak in English, but because of my comfort zone, uh, I couldn't learn. Then, few months ago, I have started to learn this English, and now I am learning. But the problem is, I know like many things in English, but when I comes to speak, so I get stuck, and words don't come to my mind at the right time.
Hmm. It's very genuine problem. Actually, lack of practice. It happens
Yes,
because lack of practice. Because
yes,
recently
because
you, yeah, recently you
yeah,
have
ma'am,
started to learn this language. So now
yes,
you need practice. How much you will practice? Like in your childhood, suppose you learned how to cook or how to swim. And after that, if you are not doing this activity now, so obviously we feel diffident, like we feel underconfident, isn't
yes,
it?
ma'am,
Even though in your childhood you cook something, suppose you used to cook, and now after a long, after 30 years or after 20 years, even after 1 year, if you will try to prepare the same dish, so you will feel diffident. You will not feel confident
yes,
because
true, ma'am,
you are not practicing,
yes,
isn't it? It's a game of practice. After waking up, when we wake up in the morning, so we just go to washroom, we start to do brush, and the things which we do, we are very means convenient. We don't feel hesitate, isn't it? Because we are unconsciously we are doing the things. We don't need to
okay,
think, okay, now I have to go to the kitchen, I have to take water, because we know that, because we
yes,
practiced
ma'am,
it. So practice is the only solution. Means when you will do practice, so definitely word will automatically come to your mind, but you have to do practice, isn't it? And there are so many ways to
yeah,
practice.
this is the yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
Actually, ma'am, I don't have people with whom I can practice, so this is the reason behind it. Although I have installed many apps, but
Hmm.
uh, sometimes they are better than me, so they cut the calls, right?
Hmm.
When I speak uh, bad in English. So it happens.
Hmm.
So
Actually,
this
hmm.
is why I mailed you to connect to me, and I never spoke on video call. So
Hmm.
this is why I am unable to articulate my words.
Hmm.
So that's all.
Yeah, it's quite natural actually now. Anybody, the person who is doing the first thing and the first time you are connecting with me through video call, so it's very difficult to articulate your thoughts because
Yes,
you
ma'am.
never practiced it, and now you are doing, and it happens. Actually, it's quite natural when we are trying to connect to the people through video call, audio call. Sometimes people, because lakhs of people are there, and everybody is
Yes,
different. But what is our duty? Our duty is continue our journey. If you want to learn, so it's you have to take the charge, you have to take the responsibility. Sometimes people
yes,
cut
ma'am.
the call, so you can find some another ways also. If this ways is not working for you, so you have to try to find some another ways where you can do
Yes, ma'am.
practice, because the thing, you want to learn English, and for that you have to just do practice. In
It
nowadays we
means
have
it is the
option
only tool.
chat gpt is a very good option. You don't need to any partner. You are enough alone, and your best friend is ChatGPT. Just go to the ChatGPT and you can ask any question, and then ChatGPT will reply you, and then you can ask another question. So you are feeling like that you are two-person. You will ask question,
Yes,
and then he will give answer. Then you can ask another question. So you don't need any partner. You are enough.
yes,
Isn't it? If you are hesitating, people are cutting my call when I'm not speaking well. So don't need to think about that. Only think how I can improve.
yes.
Isn't it? So,
Now, yes. n- Now I am realizing one thing, like I will have to practice on video calls because I am not comfortable with the camera, and in this era, like being comfortable with the camera, it is required, I guess. So this is why I will have to practice on video
hmm,
calls.
definitely. And
Right?
you have like nowadays everybody has a video with this phone, Android phone. So we don't need any partner. We our camera is enough for us.
Yes,
Just open it
but I
and
am very,
just start
yes,
speaking. Nobody is here to
yes,
judge you.
yeah. Mm, but ma'am, I have been very camera shy person, uh,
Hmm.
like since every time. So this is why it is very challenging task to me. But since today I am trying to do that
Hmm.
today onwards.
Definitely
Right?
you will do. Because now I can
Yes.
see the zeal, all the enthusiasm you are learning, and you have to learn this language.
Yes, ma'am.
So
And
you
ma'am,
can even before camera, you can just stand in front of the mirror, any mirror. You can just stand. It's very difficult actually to stand in front of the mirror also, because we cannot see ourselves while talking.
yes,
But when gradually you will become confident, stand in front of the mirror and start speaking, and speak about the topic which you know. Like talk about yourself, your hobby, your school days, your childhood memory, your routine, the thing which you know, and you can at least speak.
yes, ma'am.
So stand in front of the mirror. Either you can use mirror or you can use your phone.
Yes. And the another thought which I have, that is, like ma'am, it depends person to person as well, because some are very comfortable with the cameras.
Hmm.
They click the pictures and make the videos and
Hmm.
upload them on social media. But in my case, it is nothing as such, because when I turn on the camera, so I get blank completely.
Hmm.
Even right now, I'm at the same position what I am telling you,
Okay. Okay.
right?
Yeah.
So,
Actually, it's not only
but
about you,
after the
it's
time,
about so many people.
yeah.
When they started to
But
when they started to see themselves, so they feel uncomfortable in starting, but after that they
Yes.
become comfortable with that after practicing. We have to face, if you have a fear, so you have to face that fear so that you can gradually you will feel confident. The people
Yeah. Only
whom
then
you
it
see,
can go.
the people
Yes.
whom you see, like on Facebook, WhatsApp, YouTube, and so some other another social media platform. So in starting, they are also not comfortable,
Yes.
but gradually after practicing, they become comfortable. They try to do.
Yeah.
They try
Yes,
to
ma'am.
come out from their comfort zone.
Yes. I watched many YouTubers old videos. They
Hmm.
are not performing as they perform nowadays.
Hmm.
So I guess it happens with everybody.
Hmm.
So over the time, I can be as well, but I don't have people with whom I can talk on video calls. This is why I mailed you. I have watched many videos of yours, and it was great. And the humility you have, it was very admiring. So that's it.
Yeah, thank you. Actually, obviously, thank you so much for your kind words. And it happens actually when we are not doing any practice, and if you are means feeling more means underconfident you are while facing yourself or in front of the camera. So what you can do in starting, at least you can record your voice, and after recording your voice then you can listen it just your voice firstly. If you are not comfortable to face yourself directly, so you can start with your voice means audio recording, we call it audio recording you can do. And when you are comfortable, like after 4 days, 5 days, 6 days, if you are comfortable, gradually you will become comfortable to listen your voice also, because we prefer to listen someone else voice, but we don't prefer to listen our voice. It's very difficult.
Yes, ma'am.
So
Yes,
just
true.
record it and listen your voice, and then start with the camera. And
Yes.
nobody is judging you. You just make like 10 videos in a day, talk about any topic, and then delete it, then make another video, isn't it?
Yeah, I will
Don't
do.
think too much,
Yeah.
just take action.
Yes, ma'am.
Don't think, take
We
action,
think a
and
lot,
then you can
and
see.
yes,
Sorry.
ma'am. We think, yeah, I was saying we think a lot and we do very less.
Hmm.
This is
This is the main
what happens,
problem.
and in my case, it is 100% true.
It's not your problem, it's everybody's problem nowadays. We
Yeah.
think a lot in the whole day, and we take action, hardly we take action. And what we have to
Yes,
do,
ma'am.
we have to take action and we have to think less. When we are taking a lot of action, when we are busy with our work, so hardly we get time to think,
Yes, ma'am.
isn't
True.
it? But as a human being, we are very confident to think our about our past,
Yes, ma'am. True.
and to think about our future,
Yes, ma'am.
isn't
So,
it? But
ma'am, I want to know, like, yeah,
Mhm.
I want to know, ma'am, how long have you been speaking in English?
Okay. Actually, I have started my journey. It's been almost 2 years. When I started to connect, means on YouTube, I am from last 7 to 8 months. On YouTube, means I have created my channel. And I welcome. I forgot to welcome you. I welcome you on my channel with the name of Let's Learn and Grow Together. And it's been almost 7 to 8 months I have created this channel, and here I started to connect to the people. And earlier I started to connect to some YouTubers also, so that I can also feel comfortable in front of the people camera.
So, you did the same thing what I am doing right now.
Yes, everybody does the same thing, which you are thinking to do, everybody, because the first day nobody is comfortable in front of the camera.
Yes.
Even in our time, when you used to when we used to go to school, so at that time we did not perform too much on stage and all, we did not get a chance.
Yes, ma'am.
Nowadays this generation kids, they are means getting more chance to perform on the stage. But in earlier time, hardly we used to get a
Yes,
chance.
ma'am. True.
So that's why we are not comfortable.
Yeah.
But now we
And
have
ma'am,
a internet, so we are becoming more comfortable gradually.
yes, ma'am. And I want to know, like, mm, what triggered you to start YouTube channel? So I want to know.
Okay. Yeah, it's a good, actually, it's a very good question. What triggered me? Actually, I have done my master's in English literature. And when I have done my master's in English literature, so at that time, even after completing my master, I was not able to speak because I never tried to speak. Some words like basic thing I can speak because I was a teacher also. I used to teach in a school. So manageable English I can speak, but I was not fluent. I cannot talk on any topic. And more than that, it was not needed.
Yes.
But after completing my B.Ed and after clearing my CTET, I was preparing for some government exam. I was preparing for PGT exam, KVS I gave. I have given even some exams like LT grade exam, lecturer exam. So means during that period, I was preparing grammar, I was preparing vocabulary, I was preparing language, not speaking language.
Okay.
And gradually, I started to watch some videos where people are speaking. So it fascinates me. It caught my attention. Such kind of videos caught my attention. So that's how I thought, okay, whatever knowledge I have, because I was also preparing since a very long time,
Okay.
but I was preparing for exam because after B.Ed, it was very clear in our mind after B.Ed, like when after B.Ed, I cleared my CTET, then we can go for the private school, or even I did teaching in a private school. And then I thought, okay, let's prepare for some government exam. So that's how I started to learn. How?
Happen next time. I
Yes,
won't let
yes.
it happen.
Yes, yes. First time, second time it happens. And then gradually you will become more comfortable with that, isn't it? So it will
Yes.
become a game for you. Now you are
Yes.
uncomfortable, but if you will do this practice daily, so it will become game for you. That I teach people online. Yeah, it's
That's
okay.
good.
Obviously, it's my
Because
work also because I love to connect to the people here. I also do my practice. People also do their practice. So it's a mutual feeling. And along with that, I'm a
yes.
homemaker. I have a son also. So many things going on in the whole day. And I take some classes also. You will feel, okay, where you are lacking, where you have to work, isn't it?
Yes.
You can get your feedback.
True.
You can take suggestion.
Yes.
So
But
you
first,
can.
I want to know. Yeah.
Hmm,
First, I want to know sorry, in your view, where I lack, like, where should I improve, like,
hmm,
especially to have conversation, because I guess I'm making many
hmm,
mistakes, and like,
hmm,
so
hmm.
uh, give me your suggestion.
Yeah, means uh, you are doing great actually. You are means at least you started to speak. And now my suggestion is to connect more people through audio call, through video call. And if you don't have any partner, so you can try to speak yourself. And then gradually you will get to know where you are making mistake. How much you will speak, you will be able to rectify your mistake. But for
Yes,
that you
true.
have to practice, isn't it?
Okay, so
Then you will get to know, okay, where you are making mistake and how you will be able to rectify your mistake, and you will get to know how you can means make another, how you can go for the next level,
okay.
isn't it? So now
So
means you have started, that's good. And means you need practice.
I think I will have to send mail again and again, because
Hmm.
with the one mail, they will not connect to me, I guess.
Actually, what
Because
happens, na? Yeah, sometimes people they are not available, and sometimes they have already so many people they have already given time. So that's why this is also a reason. But you can try to mail
yes,
them, and simultaneously you can speak to yourself. Means you can means your practice is more important.
yeah, true.
Suppose you mail them, you mailed it, and now you have done your work, but On the other hand, you have to do practice. If you are just mailing and not practicing, so you are not going to improve.
Yeah, true.
Either you are mailing them or not, but your practice is more important. Isn't it?
Yes, I will have to do practice uh, myself
And
by
then you
myself.
can see the difference.
Yes, ma'am.
Now
True.
you have time, so read. You can read so many books, and you read loud. Reading loud is very important. Read, you can do reading, you can write, because now you are a student of literature, so you can write about your day, about your routine, about your phone, family, my brother, my younger brother, my sister, any topic. Take a topic, start writing. Take an
Okay, ma'am.
article, any
I will.
storybook, start reading loud. Isn't it?
Okay.
And listening, you can listen, you can watch. So this is also a ways. It's not only about the talking to the people. This is also a ways, isn't it? But when we
Okay.
talk to the people, so it's a real conversation. It boosts our confidence,
Yes, ma'am.
isn't it?
It
Any
helps us. Yeah, I also agree with that because one of my teachers was saying the same thing which you are
Hmm.
telling me, but I didn't focus on that,
Hmm.
So,
Now you have to
okay, ma'am.
focus
So,
on a speaking part especially, because how much you are reading, how much you are listening, how much you are watching, but ultimately you have to train your jaw muscles, muscle memory, and as well as brain also. Okay,
yes,
how
ma'am.
much flexible our jaw muscle will be, we are able to speak more clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Is
So, and ma'am, another thing is sometimes I want to speak something and I speak other thing like few days ago I wanted to speak summer season and I spoke summer season. So it happens with me
it
uh,
happens with
like
everyone.
often. So
Focus.
how can I remove it
Yeah, focus.
in my?
What you have to do,
Yes, it will also come by the practice.
practice,
The
and
same
you
thing
have to be
like
focused.
practice is everything.
And you have to
Yeah.
be focused. Focus is more
Like,
important. Actually, focus how you will get. If you really want to work, so I will suggest you start reading. 15-minute reading is very important. If seriously, if you want to work, so start reading. 15 minute,
okay.
10 to 15-minute read aloud, or you can read. But reading aloud, what happen na, when we are reading aloud, so we are listening our voice also. Because when we are reading, so we are reading something and we are thinking something.
Yes, ma'am.
So it's not going to help whenever you are reading. If you means want to more focus, so start reading and start. Hello.
Yes, ma'am. Your video is freezing
Okay,
sometimes.
you start reading, start writing, or you can do some exercise like meditation, yoga, anything, walking, anything which you like,
Okay.
isn't it? Think about it. Means what happens now, whatever we think or whatever wherever we focus, our energy go there. Our
Yes, ma'am.
energy
True.
flows there where we focus. So try to become
Yes.
more focused towards the thing which you really want to do. And
Yes.
then you can see the
Okay,
difference.
ma'am. I will do and uh, I will do that you have told me uh, with